JD Cap 26 for just the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we're going to venture into the head of this compressor, and it takes Allen wrench. So I'm going to unscrew the handle. Take your time in doing this. I'm sorry if I'm taking your time, but if you want to learn something, you'll stick with me and learn something. Hopefully you can get this all opened up. And I'm going to just cut out for a minute here. So we've got them loosened up here, put that to the side. And good thing we're doing a video, because it'll show you how to reassemble some things. It's always good to take pictures to do stuff like this, reassembly. Hopefully we can get this bolt out here. And there goes a piece on the floor, and I see it. We're taking the head off and looking inside for dirt. Okay, there's some dirt on the top of this. We're going to wipe clean. And let's see, something over here. And there's a valve right here. Let's lift this up. And some dirt right there. See the dirt right there? Clean that away. Clean that away. It's going to go down like this. Like this, it's going to go back on. There's a valve right here. And the valve looks pretty good. Piece of hair. Put that down there like that. And we're looking at a condition. Put this over here. Looking at a condition where this little metal thing is not flat. It's supposed to be flat. So let's get out the handy dandy screwdriver and a bit, and flip that over. This is the diaphragm, so you just flip it over, like not like that, because it's right side up. You're gonna flip it over, and that way it'll be flat when you go to reassemble. Hold it right over the hole and tighten it very nice and down like that. And now it's the way it should be. See it in there? It's got to be nice and flat. So let's put the head back on. Oh, got this piece. I'm going to put this piece on. There's a little hair there. Make sure this plate is clean when you put it back on. So you put it back on, it's going to go over that like that. That hair doesn't want to stay with me, that hair. So line it up. We're going to put all 4 screws back in. Okay. I want to show you this. When you get them all snugged down, because they're pretty long screws, you want to go, you know, like the tire in a star pattern. So you go like this, then go to this one, then go to this one, and then go to this one to snug it down. Okay, and don't do it too much, because you can snap it inside the casting. Okay, so here's the result we have. Goes off, and it struggles a little bit. That little valve in there, the white one, may be clogged up and has to be replaced. It's no big deal. Just take the 4 screws out again, replace the valve. You can find that on the internet, the little white valve, and you just pop it out. So that's for another time. I wanted to show you that that plate in there has to be flat. So we improved this by about 95%. We just need the valve, which is another part. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Have a great day, and please rate and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.